in the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. Well, I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved one so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go. Well, here on runway number 9, big 747 set to go. While I'm stuck here on the grass, where the pavements never grow, where the weather gets cold or doesn't, and the women all work fast. Well, here she goes, my friend, she is rolling out at last. Well, hear those mighty engines roar, hear the silver wings on high, for she's out and westward bound, and across the sky she flies, down the lovely where the rain never falls, and the sun it always shines. She'll be flying over my home in about 3 hours' time. Well, this old airport's got me down, it's no earthly use to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, drunk and cold as I may be. Well, you can't jump a jet plane like you can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand